Dear students, you are welcome to my class. We are doing practice class on suffix and prefix. Today is the last discussion of suffix and prefix. Okay, you see, I have already said some words as usual. These are root words, and the right hand side is the related words. Okay, at first, sincere. You see, sincere. Sincere is adjective. From sincere, we can make it sincerely by adding ly. By adding ly, we can make it sincerely. Sincerely is adverb. We can also make insincere by adding prefix in. We can make it insincere. Insincere is also adjective. Okay, we can make it insincerity by adding prefix in and suffix ty. Suffix ity, we can make it insincerity. Insincerity is also is noun. Okay, from sincere we can make sincerely adverb. We can make insincerely insincere. Insincere is opposite of sincere, and also we can make noun insincerity by adding prefix and suffix. Okay, then sure. Sure is adjective. We can make it surely by adding suffix ly. We can make ensure by adding prefix en. We can make it ensure. Ensure is verb. We can make surety by adding prefix by adding suffix ty. We can make it surety. Surety is noun. Okay, then smooth. Smooth is adjective. We can make it smoothness. Smoothness is a noun. When we add ness at the end of a word, then it will be noun. So smoothness is noun. Smoothly, by adding suffix ly, we can make it smoothly. Smoothly is adverb. Then sufficient. Sufficient is adjective. We can make it insufficient by adding prefix in. We can make it insufficient. Insufficient is opposite of sufficient. Okay, then science. We can make it scientist by adding tist. Tist, we can make it scientist. Scientist is scientist. Then we can make scientific by adding suffix tific. We can make it scientific. Scientific is adjective. Okay, then scientifically. Scientifically by adding suffix tifi cally, we can make it scientifically. Scientifically is adverb. Okay, then study. A study, from a study we can make it a study by adding suffix ing. We can make it a studying. A study is verb, but studying is noun. Studies. Studies is also noun. Studies, by adding suffix ies, we can make it a studies. Okay, then sweet. Sweet is verb. We can make it suitable by adding suffix able. We can make it suitable. Suitable is adjective. We can make also unsuitable by adding prefix un and also suffix able. We can make it unsuitable. Unsuitable is adjective. This is opposite of suitable. Okay, then we can make suitably by adding suffix ly. We can make it suitably. Suitably is adverb. Okay, then time. Time is noun. We can make it timely. Timely is adjective. Timely is adverb. By adding suffix ly, we can make it timely. We can make untimely by adding both prefix and suffix. We can make it untimely. Untimely is also adverb. Okay, then teach. Teach is a verb. We can make it teacher. Teacher, by adding suffix er, we can make it teacher. Teacher is a noun. Then we can make it teaching. By adding suffix ing, we can make it teaching. Teaching is also noun. Okay, then take. Take is verb. We can make it undertake. By adding prefix un, we can der under. We can make it undertake. Undertake is also a verb. Then we can make it mistake. Mistake by adding prefix MIS, we can make it mistake. Mistake is noun. Okay, then tolerate. Tolerate is verb. We can make it tolerable by adding a suffix able. We can make it tolerable adjective. We can make it intolerable by adding both prefix and suffix. Prefix in and also suffix able. We can make it intolerable. Intolerable is opposite of tolerable. Okay, we can make it tolerant by adding suffix ant. We can make it tolerant. We can make it tolerant. Tolerant is adjective. We can make it tolerance by adding suffix and c. We can make it tolerance. Tolerance is noun. Okay, then use. Use is use is verb. We can make it misuse by adding prefix mis. Miss. We can make it misuse. This is also verb. This is also verb. We can make abuse by adding prefix a. We can make it abuse. Abuse is also verb. We can make it useful by adding suffix ful. We can make it useful. Useful is adjective. We can make usefulness by adding suffix fulness. We can make it usefulness. Usefulness is a noun. Usefulness is noun. When we add ness after a word, then it will be noun. Okay, we can make it used by adding suffix d. We can make it used. Used is adjective. We can make it unused by adding both prefix un and suffix d. We can make it unused. Unused is opposite of used. Okay, then write. Write is verb. You know, write is verb. From write we can make it writer. By adding suffix r, we can make it writer. Writer. Then we can make writing. We can make it writing. Writing is noun. By adding suffix ing, we can make writing. Writing is noun. We can make it written. Written by adding suffix en, we can make it written. Written is the first participle form of write. This is adjective. Okay, then west. From west we can make it western. By adding suffix ern, we can make it western. Western is adjective. Wise. Wise is adjective. From wise we can make it wisely. By adding suffix ly, we can make it wisely. Wisely is adverb. We can make wisdom. By adding suffix dum, we can make it wisdom. Wisdom is noun. We can make unwise. By adding prefix un, we can make it unwise. Unwise is opposite of wise. Okay, then at last work. Work is verb. You know, work. From work we can make network. Network is noun. By adding prefix net, we can make it network. Network is noun. Overwork. By adding prefix over, we can make it overwork. Overwork is also noun. We can make working. Working is also by adding suffix ing, we can make it working. Working is noun. So dear students, in this way today we have finished our practicing class on suffix and prefix. And in our next class, I think you have understood very well my practice classes on suffix and prefix. In my next class, we shall do some exercise on suffix and prefix. Till then, you will be. Thank you. Thank you all.